Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Harley-Davidson Custom Vehicle Operations Street Glide, 110 cubic inch, covered in chrome, absolutely gorgeous paint with that traditional orange and black. Lowered bags, big pipes, backrest, fillers in between the fenders there. Nice antenna, the quick release backrest, also the ostrich skin in the center of the seat there. Custom Vehicles Operation. So it comes with the Custom Vehicles Operation cover that you see there. There's your book for reading about it. Here's the gold key. So the golden key for your Harley CVO right there in its own little case. Just fabulous. Beautiful chrome front wheels. The paint job is just stunning. That's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna walk around this side here and pull this out so that I can stand it up and show you the chrome is just unbelievable. Beautiful speakers, and I'm just going to jump on. One sec. Kick that out so I can put this down, and that way I can fire it up and not worry about it falling over. Big spotlight, the high intensity headlight on it, the dual twin brakes, which are stainless steel with ABS, the chrome wheel, chrome underneath in there. Here's your VIN right there. The paint is just stunning. You can see the blue kind of coming out of that seam there. It's got a little blue stripe right along there. It's gorgeous. Really gorgeous paint. So it has cruise control, ABS brakes, and 23,884 miles. Of course, it has the stereo, cruise control, and the spotlights. Chrome everywhere. Chrome levers, chrome grips, chrome covers, the whole 9 yards. So let's just fire this one up. So there it is. That is the mother of all street glides right there. That is just, sounds wicked. That's an incredible bike. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2011 Harley-Davidson CVO Custom Vehicle Operations Street Glide. It's got the wind jammer windscreen on it, as well as the cover, the key, the book, everything here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.